You're watching TorqueKingTV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I am going to be showcasing the QU10261, which is a input shaft kit for the NV4500HD for Dodge Ram trucks for the years of 1994 to 2004. This kit consists of the retainer bearing, which goes in the main case like this. The input shaft will actually already, or should already be in the case. This kit also consists of a Timken bearing and a seal. This is high quality, premium OEM replacement parts. The input shaft is also made for high horsepower, dual clutch applications. The input shaft is a beefy 22 tooth 1 3/8 by 10 spline and a large bore input bearing retainer. The matching counter shaft must have 38 teeth. The tip for the pilot bearing is 3/4 of an inch. We're working hard to produce some better content here on YouTube. We also have an Instagram channel and also a channel up on TikTok. Go check us out.